Hey everyone! Welcome back to my English learning channel. If you're new here, I'm Reem, and this channel helps you learn real, natural English for everyday situations. Today, we're going to talk about something very practical, something every traveler or English learner needs to know. Yes, how to ask for and understand directions in English. Imagine you're in a new city, maybe London, New York, or Paris, and you're trying to find a museum, a hotel, or a restaurant. You look around, you don't know the way. What do? You ask someone politely in English. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that confidently with easy phrases, real examples, and simple explanations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to ask for directions politely, how to understand common answers, useful street and direction vocabulary, and natural expressions for daily use. So, let's get started. Part 1. Why learning to ask for directions is important. Asking for directions is one of the most useful communication skills in any language. Even if your English isn't perfect, knowing just a few simple sentences can help you a lot when traveling. It's not just about finding your way, it's also about connecting with people. When you ask politely, people are usually very happy to help you. So, don't be shy. You just need the right words and a friendly smile. Part 2. Polite ways to start a conversation. When you ask for directions, always begin with a polite greeting. Here are some simple ways to start. Excuse me. Hi, sorry to bother you, but... Hello, could you help me, please? Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to... Example. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest train station? Notice how polite that sounds. We use excuse me to get attention and could you or can you to make the question soft and friendly. You can also add I'm looking for, I'm trying to find, do you know where the is? Examples. I'm looking for the post office. Do you know where the central library is? I'm trying to find the main road. Part 3. Useful direction vocabulary. Before we continue, let's learn some common words and phrases used when giving or understanding directions. Go straight ahead. Keep moving forward. Turn left. Go to your left side. Turn right. Go to your right side. Cross the road. Go from one side of the street to the other. Go past. Move beyond something. Next to. Beside something. Opposite. Across from. Behind. At the back of something. In front of. Before something. At the corner. Where two streets meet. Roundabout. A circular road junction. Traffic lights. Red, yellow, green lights. Controlling traffic. Junction. Place where two or more roads meet. Let's use some of them in short examples. Go straight ahead, then turn left. It's next to the supermarket. Cross the street and you'll see it on your right. It's opposite the post office. The bank is just around the corner. These are the building blocks of any direction conversation. Part 4. How to ask for directions naturally. Here are some common and natural questions you can use. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Could you tell me where the bus stop is? Is this the way to the city center? Can you show me on the map? Is it far from here? How long does it take to get there? These are polite and easy to understand. Example dialogue. You, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the museum? Stranger. Sure. Go straight down this street, then take the second left. The museum is on your right. You, thank you so much. Stranger, you're welcome. Tip. When someone gives you directions, it's okay to ask again if you don't understand. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that please? Do I turn left or right after the bank? So, it's near the park, right? Always ask kindly, and people will gladly repeat it. Part 5. Understanding directions when people speak fast. Sometimes native speakers give directions quickly. Here are some key patterns to listen for. Go straight ahead, meaning keep walking forward. Take the first left, means turn left at the first street. It's on your right, means the place will be on your right-hand side. It's opposite the bank, means it's across from the bank. Go past the school means walk beyond the school. Example. Person A. Go straight, then take the first right after the gas station. You'll see the library next to a coffee shop. Person B. Got it, thank you. It sounds fast, but don't panic. Just listen for keywords. Left, right, next to, across from, go past. Part 6. How to give directions if someone asks you. It's also useful to know how to give directions in English. Even if you're a learner, you might help another tourist one day. Here's the structure. Start politely. Sure. Of course. Let me see. Give steps clearly. Go straight ahead for about 200 meters. Turn right at the traffic lights. The hotel is next to the pharmacy. You'll see it on your left. Finish nicely. You can't miss it. It's very close. Have a nice day. Example. Tourist, excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest ATM is? You? Sure. Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights. The ATM is next to the bakery. Tourist, thank you. You? You're welcome. Part 7. Common landmarks and places. To understand directions better, you need to know some common location words. Bank. It's next to the bank. Hospital. Turn right at the hospital. Park. Go straight until you see the park. School. The restaurant is opposite the school. Supermarket. It's beside the supermarket. Post office. It's across from the post office. Bus stop. Walk to the bus stop and turn left. Traffic lights. Turn right at the traffic lights. Example conversation. You. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here? Local. Yes, it's opposite the park next to the coffee shop. You. Thanks a lot. Local. No problem. Part 8. Asking about distance and time. Sometimes you need to know how far something is or how long it takes. Here are common questions. Is it far from here? How far is it? Can I walk there? How long does it take to get there? Should I take a bus or taxi? Example. You. Excuse me, how far is the train station from here? Local. About 10 minutes on foot. You. Oh, great. I'll walk then. Thanks. Tip. When people answer, listen for words like, it's close. It's about 5 minutes away. You can walk. Better take a bus. Part 9. When you don't understand directions. It's totally okay if you don't understand everything at once. Here's how you can ask for help. Sorry, could you say that again, please? Can you speak a bit more slowly? Do I turn left or right? Could you show me on the map? I'm not sure I understood. Can you repeat that? Example. You. Sorry. Could you repeat that, please? Local. Sure. Go straight ahead and then take the second right. You. Got it. Thank you. Polite and natural, that's all you need. Part 10. Sample full conversation. Let's put everything together in one natural conversation. You. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the City Museum? Local. Sure. Go straight ahead for about 5 minutes, then turn left at the traffic lights. Okay, straight and then left. Got it. Local. Yes, you'll see a big bookstore on the corner. The museum is just next to it. Perfect. Is it far from here? Local. No, it's only a 10-minute walk. You. Great. Thank you so much. Local. You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. That's how real-life English conversations sound. Polite, friendly, and clear. Part 11. Practice challenge for you. Now it's time for a quick challenge. Try practicing these out loud. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Is there a restaurant near here? Can you show me on the map? How long does it take to walk there? You can even record yourself and check if you sound natural. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. That's the secret. Part 12. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few mistakes English learners often make when asking for directions. Saying, "Where is the bank?" in a very direct way to a stranger. Better, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the bank is, please?" Forgetting to say "excuse me" or "thank you." Always start and end politely. Mixing left and right. Practice with hand gestures or small maps to remember easily. Politeness and clarity make a big difference in real-life communication. Part 13. Cultural tip. In English-speaking countries, people appreciate politeness and patience. If you smile and ask kindly, they'll usually give clear directions or even walk with you to show the way. In some countries, like the UK, people might say, "It's just round the corner." That means it's very close. Or in the US, "It's a couple of blocks away." That means you can walk there, maybe 2 or 3 streets. These small expressions are part of natural spoken English. Part 14. Quick recap. Let's review what we learned today. Polite ways to ask for directions, common direction and location vocabulary, how to understand fast answers, example conversations, how to ask again if you don't understand, cultural tips for sounding polite. If you practice these regularly, you'll never feel lost again, no matter where you are in the world. All right, my friends, that's all for today's lesson, asking for directions in English. I hope you learned lots of useful expressions today. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about communication. So the next time you're in a new place, don't be afraid to ask for help, confidently and politely. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new lessons. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay confident, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and happy learning.